Markets all over the world are reacting with anxiety and uncertainty over China's housing crisis that threatens to become a global crisis. Previously, we took a look at the market data that seems to suggest there is already cause to believe in the contagion theory for this crisis. Today, let's break down the 4 really important questions to ask if you want to understand the finance behind the news. Question 1. What are the liabilities and how dispersed are they? The various debts, like unfinished apartments, bank loans, and bonds, are dispersed quite widely, both in geography and in sectors, across large and small banks, real estate subsectors, etc. So this isn't just an Evergrande problem, because consumer confidence will spill over to other developers as well. Question 2. What bailout is possible? From historical trends, we know there are 2 typical types of bailouts that can proceed right now. First, another company buys unfinished projects at deep discounts and finishes them for customers. Next, bad real estate banks can be created to hive off assets and reduce loan write-offs. Question 3. How big are the spillover risks? In 2008, with the subprime crisis, everyone was caught off guard with how correlated the assets were, such that banks, developers, and home buyers all went bankrupt almost simultaneously. In China, it isn't clear if the ecosystem is as correlated. If stock prices dropped, would other developers find it impossible to access capital? Would suppliers raise prices to provide goods? None of these are currently known. Question 4. How stressed are Chinese banks right now? Capital levels in China have steadily dropped for many years now, so banks are not in good shape. They need to raise huge amounts of capital just to meet their own requirements. With tax revenues down and land sales a huge part of public revenue, the government will be desperate to keep investments from crashing. We don't have the perfect information to answer any of these questions right now, but they are the right questions that experts will be asking. Once there is more information to answer these questions, you can expect this to start getting priced into the global market, especially stocks. Subscribe to MyMoneyKarma Intelligent Finance today and get your daily dose of insights from the wide world of finance. Over and out.